Hi, I'm Darren from Blair Property Group.
And hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to Early. Come with us and we'll show you around.
Do it. As you can see, construction is absolutely flying on site and Saw Constructions is doing an amazing job.
We're way ahead of schedule with the Georges over here. Roof is on, finishing in December. We've got the Ambers over here with level 3 about to commence finishing in February next year. Over here we have the Parks, second level has just begun, and we've also got the bay over there on the northern end of the site.
We've got a mix of 3 and 4 bedrooms still for sale in the project, so let's check them out. Welcome home to the George. Here we are standing on the first level. We've got a beautiful kitchen, living, dining opening out onto an expansive terrace here. One thing I love about this home is that you can have a beautiful skylight over the staircase, and on a day like today, can't fault it.
The George homes have so much to offer. Not only do they have a double side-by-side garage, a front courtyard, as well as a west-facing balcony, there's also an option of 2 different floor plans. A 3-bedroom option with a rumpus room or a 4-bedroom option. Here we are standing in front of our amazing Amber residence. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, plus a study residence with a double car garage. Fabulous north-facing aspect. We've done really well with these homes. They've been incredibly popular. We have 7 in the development, 5 are sold. There are 2 remaining. So it's a great chance for you to get in before they are finished.
Here we have the Park homes, a fantastic 3-bed, 2-bath plus powder room and study. But what we love about these homes is the additional storage. We've got storage in 2 places downstairs for things like bicycles, suitcases. This home makes the perfect family home.
Introducing the bay. We have 4 of them here at Early. 2 of them are now sold. They're very, very popular. 3-bed, 2-bath with a single car garage. Fabulously located in George Street, just off Bay Road in Sandringham. We've got Sandringham Golf Course at the end of the street. We're pinned between Southland Shopping Centre and the beach. Various parks and reserves abound. There's a dog park at the end of the street. What more can you ask for? Thank you so much for joining us on this site tour at Early in Sandringham. We can't wait to show you through. Please give us a call to make an appointment to join us in our sales suite.
Or go to www.early3191.com.au.
See ya.